LG AC fitting, installation tips, avoid these mistakes. To ensure your LG air conditioner operates efficiently and has a long lifespan, it is crucial to avoid common installation mistakes by following manufacturer guidelines and hiring a professional. Common installation mistakes to avoid: incorrect sizing of the unit. An oversized unit will cycle on and off too frequently, short cycling, leading to poor dehumidification and wasted energy, while an undersized unit will run continuously and struggle to cool the room adequately. Tip: have a professional perform a load calculation to determine the appropriate BTU, British thermal units, rating for your specific room size, layout, insulation, and windows. Poor placement of the indoor unit or thermostat. Placing the indoor unit or thermostat near heat sources, like windows, direct sunlight, or heat-emitting appliances, can cause inaccurate temperature readings, leading the system to work harder than necessary. Tip: install the thermostat on an interior wall in a central location away from drafts and direct sunlight. Ensure proper airflow around the indoor unit and avoid blocking vents with furniture. Incorrect outdoor unit location. The outdoor condenser unit needs sufficient airflow to discharge heat effectively. Placing it in a cramped space or direct sunlight will reduce efficiency and potentially damage the system. Tip: position the unit in a shaded area with at least 2 to 5 feet of clearance around it for proper ventilation and maintenance access. Neglecting drainage and insulation. Failure to install a proper drainage system can lead to water damage or mold growth from condensation. Additionally, inadequate insulation around the refrigerant lines can cause energy loss and condensation issues. Tip: ensure the drain pipe has a sufficient downward slope, more than 1/100th inclination, and that all refrigerant lines are properly insulated. Unchecked refrigerant leaks and improper charge. The system's performance depends heavily on the correct amount of refrigerant. Too much or too little can cause inefficiencies and long-term damage. Tip: after installation, a certified technician must check for leaks and ensure the refrigerant is charged according to manufacturer specifications. Faulty electrical connections. Incorrect wiring can cause system malfunctions, irregular operation, or even a fire hazard. Tip: always verify that your home's electrical supply can handle the AC unit's power requirements and use a voltage stabilizer if needed. It is highly recommended to have a professional handle all electrical connections. Attempting DIY installation. AC installation is a complex process that requires specialized tools and expertise. DIY errors can void warranties, lead to performance issues, and pose safety risks. Tip: hire a qualified, licensed, and insured HVAC professional to ensure the installation is done correctly and safely. The official LG Electronics support page provides specific guidelines for their models.